井底之蛙 Once upon a time, there lived a frog in an abandoned well. One day, the frog saw a sea turtle by the well. The frog bragged to the sea turtle, "I am so happy living here. When I am happy, I jump about on the railing beside the mouth of the well. When I am tired, I rest in the holes on the broken wall of the well. Or I just soak my whole body in the water, showing only my head and mouth. Or walk in the mud. I look at the streams and tadpoles. None of them can compare with me. I am the owner of this well. I am extremely free in this well. Why don't you come often to visit?" Upon hearing this, the sea turtle wanted very much to go into the well to see for himself. But before he could get its left foot in, its right knee got stuck. The turtle stepped back and began to describe the East Sea to the frog. The depth of the sea is more than 1,000 feet. Long ago, there were floods 9 years out of 10, but the waters in the sea did not increase. Later, there were droughts 7 years out of 8, but the waters in the sea did not decrease. As you can see, the sea is not affected by droughts and floods. Living in such an ocean is true happiness. Hearing the turtle's word, the frog was dumbfounded and could not say a word. 井底之蛙 井底 means bottom of a well. 蛙 means frog. Chinese idiom 井底之蛙 in English means a frog at the bottom of a well. 井底之蛙是用来比喻见识比较少、目光短浅的人。When you want to describe a person with a limited outlook or a person of narrow view, you can use this Chinese idiom 井底之蛙. How do you use this Chinese idiom? For example, we can say, 我们应该用知识来充实自己，否则就会成为井底之蛙。We should enrich ourselves with knowledge, otherwise we will become frogs at the bottom of the well.